Have you guys seen this video out of Raleigh, North Carolina, where this white guy is being so racist, and trigger warning, it's bad, and harasses Latino construction workers who are just trying to do their job? Watch.
Oh, I'm telling you.
Abajo.
I told what those fuckers.
He said to drive the machine, sir.
Huh?
You want to drive the machine?
He's going to get the machine and take it over there.
Yeah, he want to drive it.
And he's going to get it and take it over there. Get it.
They're going to do it.
I want you guys out of here. No, these guys need to get out of here until the boss gets here.
Yeah.
Period. I'm going to start swinging.
They're going to go down.
I'm going to start fucking swinging. Okay? Call the police if you want to, asshole. Fucking stinking nigger. Honey, I'm going to call the police right now.